Good day, honorable guests, and thank you for joining us. In order to keep up with the global trend of energy conservation, Formosa Plastics Group is actively engaging in the next-generation energy industries. Formosa Lithium Iron Oxide Corporation, FLIC, was founded in May 2008. In 2011, the mass production of lithium iron phosphorus oxide cathode materials was officially launched, and the R&D Center was established by FLIC and the Battery Research Center of Green Energy of Mingchu University of Technology to develop own technology and to cooperate with technical partners. In 2013, the company successfully obtained 9 lithium iron phosphorus oxide cathode material patents, 6 new energy material patents, and established the 18650 battery test line. In 2015, lithium iron phosphorus oxide cathode materials with high performance went into pilot production, and cathode material patents were obtained from Taiwan and China. In 2017, the company developed cathode materials for next-generation power-type lithium batteries to meet the trends and needs of the market. In 2018, lithium iron phosphorus oxide cathode materials with high performance went into mass production. In 2020, the company will complete the development of lithium batteries with high voltage cathode materials and will put an effort into completing the development of high energy density cathode materials in 2025. Formosa Lithium Iron Oxide Corporation's cathode material has acquired patents from across Taiwan, Japan, Russia, China, and the EU. It has also acquired the lithium iron phosphorus oxide materials patents from the United States Patent and Trademark Office, USPTO, which makes us the only company that carries out mass production, performs independent research, and holds the most lithium iron phosphorus oxide cathode material patents in the world. A battery pack laboratory was established in Linkou by Formosa Plastics Transport Corporation in May 2012 for the development of automotive start batteries and other related applications of these products. To develop highly reliable LFP battery modules, a flow production line was established, as well as purchases of testing equipment, such as charge-discharge cell testing systems, charge-discharge pack testing systems, constant humidity and temperature chamber, thermal shock test chamber, ESD testers, and spectrographs, etc. Under the leadership of Committeeman Wilfred Wong and President Seiko Chen, 10 business units have been successfully integrated into research, development, and manufacturing of Formosa LFPO Smart Power. The founder of Formosa Plastics Group, Mr. Wong Yong-ching, had a dream when he decided to enter the automotive industry over 20 years ago. He wanted to replace petrol cars with electric cars because he knew that the crude oil supply would run out someday. The market has recognized the excellent performance of Formosa LFPO Smart Power, which has become one of the main streams for lithium batteries. The range for which they are being used is also continuously growing to include starter battery, power battery, and energy storage system battery. For instance, hybrid vehicles, electric vehicles, golf carts and forklifts, household appliances such as electric power tools, electric bicycles, and electric motorcycles, UPS system, home energy storage system and lighting system, large energy storage system, such as renewable electricity generation, solar power, and wind power system, etc. The energy storage system is an indispensable part of power management and renewable energy, with the aim of energy creation, energy storage, and saving. The 3U battery has been developed and integrated into energy storage systems. The lithium-ion battery system consists of a 40-foot battery container and a 10-foot equipment container with storage battery capacity of 2.1 megawatts-hour, which can be used in the semiconductor industry, farming and aquaculture, electronics industry, large-scale department stores or supermarkets, manufacturing factories, and other industries. The use of peak load shaving can intelligently charge and discharge to greatly reduce peak loads and reduce the power demand charge, stabilizing output power, adjusting frequency, and making energy more efficient and secure. Coupled with the global trend for green energy and an eco-friendly environment, there will be no limits for the usage of lithium-ion batteries. This is a business comprising of 8 enterprises as the secret base for research and development of Formosa LFP Smart Power, aiming at global battery markets worth approximately $500 billion. Mainstream lead-acid batteries will gradually be replaced by LFP batteries. Concentration on exporting markets will be accelerated. Those from the EU, US, and Japan are larger. We are focusing on the petrochemical and energy businesses, thus we shall become involved in the green energy industry as well. High-quality warranty commitment stems from a professional team with critical tests and certification, as well as strict process control. Specifications of cells are strictly adhered to. There is not only life cycle over 1,500 times, but capacity and internal resistance are screened for consistency of more than 99%, with high-rate discharge battery cells to ensure long duration and quality. The integration of production materials in Formosa Plastics Group are as follows. The battery cells consist of LFP cathode materials produced by Formosa Lithium Iron Oxide Corporation and electrolytes produced by the chlorofluorocarbon factory of Formosa Plastics Corporation. The industrial-grade electronic components of PCBA, which are selected strictly by Formosa Advanced Technologies Corporation, are mounted after function checked. Plastic injection materials and finished products used for battery cases come from Section 3 and the workshop of Nanya Plastics Corporation to ensure structural strength of the batteries. The copper-clad laminates used for BMS PCBs are produced by the Electronic Materials Business Unit of Nanya Plastics Corporation. Technical integration into Formosa Plastics Group is as follows. The management system of battery cells adopts BMS and PAC technologies from Formosa Plastics Transport Corporation, which is an essential component to maintain safety and duration of the battery cells. The academic fields of Mingchi University of Technology, Telecommunications Control Technology from the Electronics section, and Cloud IoT Technology of Formosa Plastics Corporation are integrated and produced by the Power Battery Division of Formosa Plastics Transport Corporation. Sales are handled by Formosa Automobile Sales Corporation. Formosa LFP Smart Power is the result of the integration of related departments and raw materials of 10 companies under the Formosa Plastics Group. It is a technical product developed by focusing on the advantages of the LFP battery and a mix of the demands of electric components for automobile applications and consideration of operational behaviors of people. Lithium battery modules sold in current markets use a lot of connecting cables that are subject to short circuits, loosening of connectors, and poor connection resulting from abrasions of wires caused by battery jitter that will increase assembly costs of modules and cause NG rate issues. The all-in-one wireless design can obviously reduce assembly hours and increase the reliability of products, which are completely free of jitter that can cause fires due to interior short circuits. Formosa Plastics Transport Corporation is dedicated to research, development, and improving the performance of the START battery. Meanwhile, the company values product safety for the consumer and the reliability of product quality. There is not only product liability insurance to the amount of 32 billion NT dollars, but the company has also obtained various international certifications for its products. Current certifications to be passed include SGS ISO 9001, Dun & Bradstreet registration (DUNS), the compulsory safety certification of the EU (CE), the air transportation standards of the UN (UN 38.3), the Japanese test standards (PSE), the Chinese National Standards of Taiwan (CNS), Global Electromagnetic Compliance of Electronic Devices (EMC), and the Restriction of Hazardous Substance Directive (RoHS). Formosa Plastics Transport Corporation is the first internationally certified company of LFP-starred batteries in Asia. Furthermore, smart batteries of Formosa Plastics have been awarded the National Industrial Innovation Award and the special honor of the Taiwanese Excellence by the Ministry of Economic Affairs (ROC) that has nationally certified the quality, function, and reputation of Formosa LFPO's smart power. Formosa LFPO's smart power battery modules develop the rich resources of the entire group, leading the industry in terms of functionality and safety, with multiple patents acquired to achieve 6S perfection. Safety is assured with multiple protective designs to prevent vehicles from catching fire due to short circuits, ensuring the safety of passengers and vehicles. Meanwhile, conformity to environmental requirements is achieved by passing the RoHS certification for producing a pollution-free product to make a contribution to protect the Earth. Saving energy is achieved by adhering to the characteristics of high-rate charge and discharge of Formosa LFPO's smart power. 1. High-efficiency charge can ease the loading of the engine generator. 2. The characteristic of high-rate discharge reinforces the ignition voltage of spark plugs to elevate the burning efficiency of the engine so it is more powerful, low fuel consumption, and low emission. Satisfied is achieved by the restart function to prevent the failure of engine start due to open headlights after turning off the engine. Other brands require special LFPO chargers, while Formosa Plastics batteries can be charged with lead-acid chargers. Furthermore, Formosa Plastics batteries are embedded with Bluetooth function and a unique app interface. The battery status and vehicle information can be monitored and accessed via smartphone or tablet. Security is achieved with the additional anti-theft Bluetooth function. The Bluetooth function is an optional specification of Formosa LFPO smart power. When you get out of your car, you can activate the anti-theft mode by smartphone or tablet to prevent car theft. The engine won't start if a thief breaks into the vehicle, ensuring passengers and car safety. The smart system is embedded with self-detection to automatically access whether the vehicle is moving, starting, or still, so the battery will adjust the electric output demand of the car under various conditions and stabilize the output current to extend the electrical device's life. Sustainability is achieved by the long duration of the product, water resistance, and shock resistance. The typical battery life is longer than 10 years. The outstanding characteristics of Formosa LFPO's smart power have been greatly appreciated by the automotive manufacturers in Europe. DAF trucks and Iveco commercial vehicles sold by Formosa Automobile Sales Corporation are scheduled to list Formosa LFPO smart power as standard equipment on new cars to improve vehicle performance and save fuel. Furthermore, a detection instrument of Formosa LFPO smart power has been independently developed for detecting and selecting the most economical capacity of smart LFPO batteries for the vehicle, while also detecting healthy conditions. When comparing Formosa LFPO smart power with lead-acid batteries in terms of savings, the voltage of spark plugs is increased to achieve the effects of boosting horsepower, saving on fuel, stabilizing electric current, and extending the life of the electronic components of the vehicle. In terms of intelligence, multiple communicative interfaces are embedded with anti-theft, second ignition, and short-circuit protection functions. In terms of environmental impact, the environmental standards of RoHS have been met. The battery life is 5 times longer than lead-acid batteries. In order to develop the electric vehicle industry, Formosa Automobile Sales Corporation is aiming to use electric shuttle buses at the Changgung Hospital and will be importing electric buses manufactured by our customers to be used in Taiwan. We hope this can help meet the demand from domestic, state, and private businesses. After changing to lithium-ion battery from lead-acid battery, the golf carts at Changgung Golf Course reduce their overall weight, increase their incline capability, and increase their durability by over 50%. Formosa LFPO Smart Power has passed relevant verification tests of the test standards of lithium batteries for electric vehicles or transporting agriculture products, approved by the Environmental Protection Administration, Executive Yuan, ROC, which conforms to safety standards of lithium batteries for farm product transportation vehicles, and is the only brand of battery modules in Taiwan to be subsidized by the EPA for car purchase. Looking forward, with the concept of energy conservation in mind, we will continue to insist on following the principles of sustainable development of Formosa Plastics Group and to work in the eco-friendly industry to do our part to make our world a cleaner place. Thank you.